Assalamualaikum. My name is Raja Hawania binti Raja Muhammad Khamisi. Now, I will start with introduction. So, our selected business for this project is Mazini Kerpok Cap Juara, a local food manufacturing company that produces traditional kerpok cereal. This business has officially established on 17 July 2006 and operate as sole proprietorship. It started as a small family-run business and has gradually grown into a more structured operation over the years. Mazini Kerpok Cap Juara is located at Pasir Puteh, Kelantan, which is a strategic location because it allows easy access to fresh fish, the main material for kerpok production. Today, the business supply its product to retailer and wholesaler, including the customer in Sabah and Sarawak, showing how big the market has expanded. So, their company has highlighted how the business grows steadily and built a strong reputation in the local snack food industry.
Moving on the administration plan, our administration is driven by a clear vision, which is to make Kerpok Cap Juara a trusted household name. We aim to achieve this through nationwide distribution and strict quality control, guided by our motto, crunchy, delicious, and always the champion. Second is organization structure. For our organizational structure, the company is led by Puan Mazini Ismail as a CEO. Under her, we have a factory manager and specialized supervisors. This hierarchy is designed to manage our total workforce of 70 employees efficiently, ensure a clear flow of In terms of responsibilities, our management team focus on strategy and finance. On the operation side, we have a dedicated team of 25 production workers and 22 general workers for cooking and packaging. Our 4 drivers then ensure that product reach our customers on time. For our 70 staff members, we allocate a monthly budget of 110,729 ringgit and 50 cents. This includes their basic salary and mandatory contribution to EPF and SOCSO to ensure their welfare is protected. Finally, our total administrative budget stands at 379,681 ringgit. This covers our fixed assets like the building, working capital, and the other requirements like business license and deposits. That covers the administration plan. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adriana binti Azhar, and for this part, I will explain the marketing plan for Mazini Kerpok Cap Juara. Firstly, for the introduction for this marketing plan is prepared to explain how Kerpok Cap Juara positions its product in the Malaysian snack food market. The focus is on understanding the target market, developing effective marketing strategies, and planning the marketing budget to support business sustainability. Next is the target market, which is divided into 2 groups. First, for the primary target market, consists of students and young adults who prefer ready-to-eat snacks with strong local flavors. Meanwhile, for the secondary target market, includes B40 and M40 households who value affordable and authentic East Coast snacks for daily consumptions. And then for the marketing strategy, the business focuses on several key areas. The product emphasizes quality and consistency to meet customer expectations. Pricing is set to be competitive and affordable to attract a wider market. Distribution is done through wholesalers and retailers to ensure wide market coverage. In terms of packaging, machine-based and hygienic packaging is used to maintain product quality and build customer confidence. Next, I will explain the marketing budget for Kerpok Cap Juara. First, for fixed assets, the company allocates 1,500 ringgit for a signboard. This is a one-time cost and is important to improve brand visibility and help customers easily recognize the business location. And moving on to the working capital, several monthly marketing expenses are involved. Brand advertising costs 800 ringgit, which is used for basic promotional materials such as banners and flyers. Product tasting is allocated 500 ringgit to ensure the quality and consistency of the kerpok before reaching customers. The company also provides sales vouchers with 700 ringgit as a promotional strategy to attract wholesalers and encourage repeat purchases. So in addition, marketing personnel expenses amount to 1,731 ringgit per month to support marketing activities and customer handling. For pre-operation and other expenditures, costs such as deposits, business registration, license, and insurance are listed under other operational needs and will be incurred when required. So overall, the total market budget consists of 1,500 for fixed assets and 3,721 ringgit for monthly marketing expenses, resulting in a total of 5,221 ringgit. This budget is designed to support effective promotion while maintaining cost efficiency. That's all for marketing plan. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nufar Aimati Muhammad Zain and I will explain about the operation plan. For the operation plan, our business operates as a food manufacturing company that produces keropok sirih as the main product. The factory is located in Pasir Putih, Kelantan, which is a strategic location because it's close to raw material source. Our main focus in operation is to ensure efficient production and consistent product quality. And next is the process planning. The production process starts with raw material preparation, where the keropok is prepared before frying. After that, the keropok is fried until crispy and then coated with sirih to give it sweet and spicy taste. Once the coating process is complete, the keropok is cooled before being packed. Finally, the finished products are stored properly and distributed to wholesalers and retailers. In terms of production planning, our business is able to produce approximately 18,000 packets per day. This production capacity allows us to meet market demand consistently without a delay. We focus mainly on the keropok sirih, while other keropok products are produced secondary item to support the sale. For daily operation, we use machine as a frying machine, mixing machine, and packaging machine to increase efficiency. The workforce include product worker, quality control staff, and packaging workers. Quality control is very important in our operation, where hygiene, halal compliance, and product inspection are strictly maintained to ensure customer satisfaction. Lastly, the business operation from Monday to Tuesday and Sunday from 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. On Friday, operation ends early and the factory is closed on Saturday to ensure worker productivity and smooth operation. Next, I will briefly explain the operation budget for Mazini Ismail Factory. The operation budget consists of fixed asset and monthly operating expenses. First, the fixed asset cost is Rm 69,000, which is for machine and equipment. This is one-time investment to support production and ensure efficient operation. Next, the monthly expenses included raw material costing Rm 10,200, machine maintenance of 2,500 ringgit, utilities costing Rm 3,000 and indirect costs of Rm 4,500. These expenses are necessary to keep daily operation running smoothly. Overall, the total operation budget is 89,200 ringgit, covering both fixed asset and operational costs, ensuring the factory can operate efficiently. That's all for the explanation of our operation budget. Thank you.
For this part, I will explain the project implementation cost and source of finance for Mazini Keropok Cap Johor. The total project implementation cost for this business is 665,953. This amount represents the overall capital required to start and operate the business during the initial stage. Firstly, under fixed assets, the largest expenditure is land and building, which costs 250,000. This refers to the physical premises used for productions and business operations. Next, machine and equipment amount to 69,000, which are essential for the keropok production process. Other fixed assets include furniture and fitting, costing 1,780. And signboard expenses of 1,500, which support daily operations and business visibility. Next, the business requires working capital for 1 month to cover operating expenses. Administrative costs amount to 118,671, which include salaries and office-related expenses. Marketing expenses total 3,731 allocated for promotional activities. Operational costs, which are the largest component of working capital, amount to 151,510 and cover production and utility expenses. In addition, pre-operational and other expenditure total 9,230. To manage unexpected expenses, a contingency allowance of 10% amounting to 60,551 is included in the financial plan. In terms of source of finance, the entire amount of 665,953 is funded through the owner's own cash contributions, with no loans or hire purchase.
This indicates that the business is fully financed and operates without financial liabilities. For this session, I will explain the pro forma balance sheets of Mazini Keropok Cap Juara, which shows the financial position of the business over 3 years. So, the total asset increased from 685,670 ringgit in year 1 to 958,187 ringgit in year 2, and further to 1,506,460 ringgit in year 3, indicating strong business growth. Under fixed assets, land and building remain constant at 250,000 ringgit, while other assets such as machinery and equipment decrease in value due to the depreciations. For example, machinery declines from 62,100 ringgit to 48,300 ringgit by year 3. So, the most significant change in current assets is the cash balance, which increased steadily from 367,585 ringgit in year 1 and to 1,203,140 ringgit in year 3, reflecting strong cash flow and effective financial management. In terms of financing, accumulated profit rose from 152,854 ringgit to 1,240,035 ringgit, while the loan balance decreased from 532,763 ringgit to 266,381 ringgit, showing improved profitability and lower financial risk. So overall, the balance sheet shows that the business is financially stable.
To conclude everything, you can see that in our business plan, it shows that Mazini Keropok Cap Juara is a stable and promising business in Malaysia food snack industry. The company focus on product quality, halal compliance and consistent supply give it a strong position in the market. With effective management, organized operation and realistic financing, the business has a good potential for a long-term growth and sustainability. Overall, we believe that Mazini Keropok Cap Juara can continue to expand and succeed in the future. Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you so much.